Okay. Oh, we'll eat after the Ate Chloe's message. Wow. Oh, you listen to Ate Chloe. She's gonna say something.
Sana magbago ka na and stay what you are.
Alin talaga? Alin talaga?
I still wet. Okay.
You sit down. Yes.
What, Lala?
Yeah, so for me, I bike. I big girl. Look at me.
What?
Daddy, my head. I just know you push my head and then it's all here.
Oh no!
But I don't
Oh, can you move
Copy,
na?
iClouds, I have something for you. This is for you. No, that's only for you.
Ay, may something.
Si Coffee nga naka-close yung eyes kanina.
I love you, Coffee.
Kiss daddy and bless mo na kay daddy.
Yes.